Hello, everyone. Welcome to day 2 of the 30-day series of learning English communication. Today, we will learn how to talk about careers. Goal: after this video, you will know how to ask and answer questions about your career, workplace, and some work-related vocabulary. Let's get started. Teacher, teacher. Doctor, doctor. Engineer, engineer. Student, student. Business person, business person. Nurse, nurse. Artist, artist. Chef, chef. Salesperson, salesperson. Manager, manager. Now we come to phrases related to the words we have learned. What do you do? What do you do? Where do you work? Where do you work? I work at. I work at. I work for. I work for. I'm a. Now we will come to communicative sentence models.
Ask about career.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
I'm an engineer.
Ask about the workplace.
Where do you work?
I work at a hospital. How about you?
I work for a tech company.
Now we will combine career and workplace questions.
What do you do?
I'm a nurse. I work at a clinic. What about you?
I'm a salesperson. I work for a fashion brand.
Let's come to 2 sample conversations. Conversation 1.
Hi, what do you do?
Hello, I'm a doctor. I work at a hospital. How about you?
I'm a student. I study at ABC University.
That's great. What are you studying?
I'm studying business.
Conversation 2.
Good morning. Where do you work?
Good morning. I work for a software company. I'm an engineer. What about you?
I'm a chef. I work at a restaurant.
That sounds interesting. Now let's practice again. Exercise 1. Write a short conversation about your career and workplace. Exercise 2. Record a video introducing your career in English and share it in the group or comment. Summary. Today, we learned how to talk about careers and the workplace. Practice regularly to be more confident. Announcement. Tomorrow, we will learn how to communicate in a restaurant. Don't forget to watch and do the exercises.